to Vlogmas 15, where I will show you how I prepare this chicken, shrimp, vegetable, and noodle stir fry. It is so delicious, guys. Let's get into the video. Guys, that's all the ingredient I will be using in this recipe. 4 cups of water here. I'm gonna stir fry only 2 with 4 cups of water. I like to season the water when I'm cooking the noodle, guys. I'm gonna let this cook for about 4 to 6 minutes, guys, and you don't have to like put anything in the pot, but I'm gonna put just that much garlic, and then I'm gonna put, like, I won't measure, but about a teaspoon of the sauce here in the water. But you don't have to do that, okay? In the water you don't have to put any sauce, but I just like to do it that way. Season it. Even though I'm going to be putting the sauce while stir frying, I like to, you know, put a bit of seasoning onto the noodle while cooking in the water. So I let this cook for about 4 to 6 minutes. So guys, here I'm going to be chopping up some green onion, the scallion, a piece of the ginger, and some garlic I'm gonna chop up. And I have broccoli here. Along with the baby bok choy that I'm gonna be stir frying. I have assorted color bell pepper. You can see the colors there. The scallion, I won't cut them too small, about that size. The green onion, and then the garlic, I'll do that later. The ginger I'll mince later, but I'll just julienne this green pepper. Just gonna mince this, guys. The ginger, this is ginger. And also I'm gonna mince the garlic. Finely chopped. And finely chop the garlic also. So guys, the choice is yours how much garlic and ginger you would want to put in if you were preparing it for yourself. You choose the amount if you want to have less or more garlic or ginger, because some people don't like to taste garlic or too much ginger. Just gonna wash my broccoli and also the baby bok choy. I'm gonna be putting in like a tablespoon of this, I see, stir fry oil. That's about a tablespoon. Just a little bit of the ginger and garlic here. Ginger, garlic, and green onion. My rotisserie chicken and shrimp, that's pre-cooked, so there's not much cooking that needs to be done because everything here is already cooked. I'm just gonna stir fry them. As I said, this oil is very spicy. And I'm going to be putting some of this lemon pepper seasoning onto it. Not much, like a 1/4 teaspoon. Mostly on the shrimp because the chicken is already seasoned and cooked. I'm going to be putting like a 1/4 teaspoon of the Chinese sauce. And a 1/4 teaspoon of the oyster sauce. Guys, I'm not measuring, but you know, as I said, you start off with a 1/4 teaspoon, you add more if you want to. But at this point, I'm going to be stir frying this again, so adding it to the noodles, so I only need a little bit for now. And I'll remove this and then put the noodle on. So I cleaned it out, guys. Cleaned out what was there. And then I'm gonna be putting some more oil. That's the oil. It's a noodle, so about a tablespoon. Or 2 tablespoons is good. The remainder of the garlic, ginger, green onion. Tablespoon. One tablespoon. Seafood seasoning. A teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Lemon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna pour this out, guys, and I'm gonna pour it out and stir fry the noodle. So you stir fry it until your broccoli looks, you know, turn that color. I don't like my broccoli too soggy. A teaspoon. And put the noodle that's draining on. Cooked noodle. Season. A teaspoon. Smells good, delicious. Teaspoon. And a teaspoon. So that was the Chinese sauce and the oyster sauce that I had stir fried with all three. With the shrimp, the chicken, and the vegetable broccoli stirred with the baby bok choy. I will have to use this, guys, because the correct thing I really can't find, so I'll use a spoon with the fork. And from here on, I'm just gonna season to taste. So I'm gonna be putting a little of the lemon pepper, like a 1/4 teaspoon, because this lemon pepper is salty and peppery, spicy, and it has salt, so 1/4 teaspoon. And just stir fry. Stir and fry. We're seasoning to taste, so I'm gonna taste it to see if it's has enough salt. Everything is tasting good, guys. I'm just gonna put the veg back on. Pour everything in and just do one stir fry. And it smells good, guys. It looks so delicious. Oh my god. So that's the chicken and shrimp with broccoli stir fry. The noodle. And it looks good. Smells good. And guys, I love noodle. I love noodle. I love broccoli. I love shrimp. I love this combination here. Please give the video a thumbs up, guys, if you like the video. And feel free to comment down below. And I think it's ready to serve. Looks delicious. As I said, guys, this oil is spicy. It has spice. The oil that I'm using, it has spice in it, so I don't need to be putting anything too spicy, because the oil is spicy. So let me turn the burner off now, because everything is cooked here. Guys, now it's time to taste, okay? Now it's time for me to tell you what I think about it. And there it is. A baby bok choy. This is good. And guys, you need to season the noodle, because you know when you eat the noodle along with the vegetables, because the vegetables has water in it, you need to make sure that there's enough seasoning on your noodles, so when you bite into both the noodle and the vegetable, it blends in. And that was what I did. It's good. As I said, this chicken is from the rotisserie, and that's already cooked. The shrimp was pre-cooked, the one that I bought. I love shrimp and noodle, guys. I love shrimp and noodle with vegetables. I love broccoli. Guys, it tastes good. Okay. If you decide to try it, you won't be disappointed. Thank you for giving the video a thumbs up, guys, and thank you for watching Vlogmas Day 15. It is not easy, guys, to put these videos up on time, but you know, bear with me. After Vlogmas is over, everything will be uploaded for 7. Okay, so please give the video a thumbs up, and thank you once more. See you in Vlogmas Day 16. Happy holidays from Faithland Foods Variety to you and your family. You have a great day.